What happens when the heart of German automotive power, the factories that built legends like the VW Beetle, starts beating for China? This is no simple industry shift. It's a geopolitical chess move with stakes that could even redefine Europe's automotive future. Today's episode, we're tackling a topic that's raising eyebrows across Europe. Chinese automakers are targeting Germany's iconic Volkswagen factories. Why is this happening? What does it mean for Germany's economy, its automotive legacy, and EVU as a consumer? Stay with me because the implications go far beyond cars. You will walk away with a clear understanding of why Chinese companies are eyeing these factories, the potential fallout for Germany's industry, and the broader implications for Europe and the global auto industry. Hi, I'm Chris, the Partsman Pro, and your host. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a traditional car lover, or just someone curious about how this affects you, this conversation you need to hear. Here's what we'll cover. 1. The context. What's happening with Volkswagen's factories and why they're closing. 2. China's interests. Why these factories matter to them and what they hope to achieve. 3. The potential fallout. What this could mean for Germany's workforce, Europe's auto market, and you as a car buyer. Let's set the scene. For decades, Germany's auto industry was untouchable, a symbol of engineering brilliance. Volkswagen, in particular, represented industrial dominance. But fast forward to today, and we see factories like Dresden and Osnabrück facing closure due to slowing demand and struggles with green transitions. Now, imagine this. Chinese automakers stepping in to buy these plants. The very factories that once defined German excellence could soon churn out Chinese electric vehicles for European roads. Big question is, why are VW factories closing? Volkswagen is facing a double whammy: slower global demand and costly shift to EV production. European tariffs on non-EU made EVs have added pressure. For VW, keeping these factories open isn't financially sustainable. Why is China interested? Avoiding EU tariffs by building cars within Europe is a smart move for Chinese automakers. A foothold in Germany gives them not just manufacturing capacity, but also a symbolic influence in Europe's prize industry. It's a part of a broader strategy. China is already deeply invested in German sectors like telecommunications and robotics. But the bigger picture for Germany is what happens to the workforce. Tens of thousands of jobs are tied to these plants. Germany's industrial pride takes a hit. VW factories being sold off sends a message about where the power is shifting. It's not just a business move, it's a geopolitical maneuver. What it means for you. Car prices could shift as Chinese EVs become more accessible in Europe. The competition might push European automakers to innovate or struggle to keep up. If you're in the market for an EV, this could bring more affordable options. But at what cost to local economies? This is more than just a business story. It's about power, legacy, and the future of one of Europe's most iconic industries. One thing is certain, the automotive game is changing fast. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this is the end of an era for Germany, or is it just a chapter? Let's talk about it. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. Until next time.